MMTs, it's very important right now that we are getting that late day breakout at about, I would say 11:30 Pacific Standard Time. And as soon as Mr. Obama, you know who he is, he has given his speech about the tax cuts and everything that it would take to revive this economy, everything that he had opposed, except for some of the things that the Democrat had only. However, the thing about the MMTs is that we had that super gap, and I said everybody in the morning shorting half of that bar, and that's exactly what would happen with the bull TQQ, and they slide that bid. These were great little target prices in the teeny action line and the price action line, back up from this teeny to that teeny, and from this teeny line up to that teeny line, and you make us some money. Then they slide that bid, half bar, slide the bid. But over here later in the day, this particular teeny line right here, that teeny line breakout action. Look at that, climbing half bars, SMF breakout, but they're not real big bars. Here, let's examine that breakout together. And let's just take a look at this part of the chart. Let's take a look at this part of the actual SMF MMT, knowing that we were at the wholesale market, knowing that the platform here and the ratio adjusted movements for the breakout buy action to each line was 100% correct. And markets get made at price action, and these gauges right here, you can see how strong these gauges are pointing over. Look at that gauge, that tachometer. Look at that. That means that there's something going on in this tachometer right here, and it means something. See, and you don't want this tachometer right here going this direction. You want that thing throttling all the way over here. So you're at 45. If it goes down, you start to slip the bid. Slide that bid. Half bar pro action bid.
Breaking higher.
321.75 is half bar price action up here. And if you go below here, or if this ratio goes back down toward 15 or 20, but right now the ratio is holding the price. That's the SMF ratio. That's a bid and ask. That's what you're trading. Forget this number here. That's just the number of the price print of the actual stock market itself. What you're trading, though, MMT, is these. And these teenies. You have to trade the teenies. Right now, you had a 0.98 high ratio, and your ratio low. If you were buying 0.11 ratio and taking it up there, look how much you're making. 1.72 teenies here, you're at 8.5. 8.39 teenies equals 42 pennies up to $2.05.
91%.
Oh, nice. The breakout is going on right here, right now. And once again, MMTs, this is all live action on Apple. And half of this bar is 321.75. So you want to stay above the previous bar. Right now, this bar right here, you can see this bar right here relative to the SMF Pro Action bar. That's where you get these breakouts. You know how to let them run. Watch on the video, MMT. I'm going to hit the yellow button, and then it's going to make a mistake, and then I'll have to repopulate. But here you go. Look at that clean price breakout action. Okay, here we go. We're above that big teeny line. Look at each teeny line that we took out. Oh, look at these gauges going crazy on this line. See all that? Look at this. Ding, 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 ding. It's just now populating, but it is kind of populating slow. So anyway, back to the breakout. You got to stay above 45 here. Okay, they slid that bid right there. That was the breakout. No, you don't. The public always buys up here at the top when you slide the bid now. That's what they do. So the time frame of the breakout has already occurred. Okay? And here, let me hit this yellow line again. Watch these gauges going back and forth. Isn't that something? Look at that thing down here. So basically, we're breaking higher. But now we're having a problem and we're back below that teeny line. MMT. Okay? Bottom line. So there's that play. I will show the Google breakout as well. And how they both broke out.